it's your friend Srikanth and welcome to Data Genie Global. I'm so glad you are here today that we are learning about the first page which we are going to land in Tableau after opening Tableau desktop. That is landing page of Tableau. So today you are going to learn how to connect to a local file in Tableau desktop, how to connect to a server and many other different data sources via server options and copy directly a data set into Tableau desktop. And if you want to learn Tableau, you can follow me, but there are some other training options provided by Tableau, which is also we are going to discuss today. Finally, the excellent community where you can ask your doubts on Tableau for all products of Tableau and much more. Now let's buckle up and start learning because Tableau is the most easiest tool to land a job in IT industry. So without any delay, let's jump right in to the Tableau landing page. On the left side of the landing page, we have a connect pane, which is highlighted below in the blue color. The entire connect pane is divided into three parts. The first option in the connect pane is to connect to the Tableau server or Tableau online. And the second option in the connect pane is to connect to a file which is already available in the system or a local file which is available in the desktop. The third option which is available is to connect to a server or online which is available. Fourth option in the connect pane is to connect to the saved data source which you are able to get while installing the Tableau desktop. So let's discuss briefly on each type of the connect options available in the connect pane. So when you click on Tableau server, you will be asked to connect to a Tableau link wherein you will be asked to provide Tableau server link or Tableau online link through which we can connect to a server option using the connect pane. And the next option where if you want to connect to a file which is locally located in your desktop, you can select Microsoft Excel if you are having Excel files, and you can select the data set. Generally, the data sets are available in the My Tableau repository data sources option in your local system when you are downloading the Tableau desktop. And if you want to connect to .csv files, you can select the text file option into a file to connect the .csv files. And you have furthermore options which are locally available. And if you want to connect to other files, you can have the more option and then locate the file in your worksheet. You can go for the more option and select the file locally, browse the folder and select the file. Coming to the next option, to a server option, we have already 4 databases which we can connect directly. So let's check with Microsoft SQL Server. I already have a SQL Server environment installed on my system. So here I am going to sign in directly without any ID credentials with the Windows authentication only. So here I have different data sets already I've been using here. These are the different types of data sets and the option where you will be connecting to the server. So let's go back again to the landing page. And if you want to connect to a different many data sources which aren't listed in these 4, you can go to the more option and you have here 70 types of data sources which you can connect in Tableau, around 72, and you can connect using them and you can download them and then connect to the Tableau. Let's say if you want to connect to a Snowflake database. If you are clicking on Snowflake, you will be given a link to connect to download the drivers of the Snowflake. And from there, you'll have a lot of options wherein you need to first log into the files and then you will be able to download the drivers upon filling the information there. And if you don't have direct login, you can also sign up, give your credentials and then download the files. You'll be having a clear instructions on how to download and make use of the files. So these are the different data sets which are available as connectors, wherein you can use these connectors and connect to the respective data sets. And if you don't have any connectors, any other connectors listed in more option for connecting the data sets, you can use JDBC or ODBC drivers, wherein you can connect the data sources which are not listed here. I'll also provide the same link of the same in the comment section so that you can also explore them and connect to the data sources. So for now, I have logged into my account and we can download the required data sets here. So as we are expecting a snowflake, let's click on that. So here we have a link to go to the Snowflake website, and then you can follow these instructions and install the drivers. So this is how we install additional drivers for the required data sets whenever we are planning to connect to a new data sources to Tableau desktop environment. The next option in Connect pane to connect the data sources is Save Data Sources, which are by default available in the Tableau desktop download. And if you don't have the option to select these data sources in the Saved Data Sources, I'll also provide the links to download the same, and you can save the same in the Tableau repository data sources so that you'll be able to view them here. And the next option available in the landing page of Tableau is open option, wherein you can select the files which you want to open or which you have worked already previously. This is the option wherein you can open the files which you have already been working on. Just by clicking on it, you can open a file from here, which is a workbook. Below the open pane, you have accelerators option in Tableau landing page. These are the pre-built Tableau dashboards wherein you can click on them and use them or explore them and learn some of the insights from them. And you can also use these dashboards on your data sets. So let's check more accelerators option here. When I'm clicking more accelerators option, I'll get an options of type of dashboards to be selected from the available list. Some of them are designed by Tableau or Salesforce, and some of them are already built by different organizations. So let's select Executive KPI dashboard. And click on open. If you want to launch demo, you'll have a clear description on how to use this dashboard. As I've already know how to use, I am directly clicking on open option here. The dashboard is loading. After loading the dashboard, you'll have an option to select your own data set and use this accelerator dashboard to your advantage and save all the time of creating worksheets, dashboards, even storyboards, so that you can straight away deliver the output of the dashboard just connecting to your data and changing the dimensions and measures which are already existing in the same with your own data sets. So this is a beautiful KPI dashboard, which is pre-built dashboard or custom designed dashboard, which is already made available for the users to straight away make use of these dashboards and directly deliver insights to the users. So explore more accelerators dashboards, and also you can learn from them. You can go into the worksheet level on, also you can learn the calculations and everything available in there. This is how our dashboard is looking like from the accelerators default. On the left side, it's asking to map your data. So you can add your data source here. Just explore them and add the data source from here. So you'll be asked to select different types. From here, you need to connect to the data source and you can replace the already pre-built dashboard with your own data set and give the insights to the user. So let's move on to the right side of the Tableau landing page where you have discover option. These are the resources provided by the Tableau to learn Tableau and make a tour of the Tableau environment. You can also learn some of the free training sessions provided by the Tableau, wherein you have all the basics of all the products provided by the Tableau. Just below to that, you have resources, which is an excellent community wherein you can ask your Tableau doubts. You can also visit the Tableau communities. You can ask your doubts as a beginner, intermediate, even advanced level doubts in using Tableau communities. You can also go through the Tableau blueprint wherein everything which is documented about the usage of every option in Tableau. It consists of around 4,000 pages. So you can also make most use of this Tableau blueprint. Along with this, in the Discover option, you will have white papers, which are the best uses or the practices suggested by Tableau. So you can go through them and make use of the white papers also in building your visualizations. And finally, we have an option to upgrade to the latest update. As I am having 2023.1 version, now the latest version is 2023.2. So you can just click on it and update. You can download and install the newest latest update which was released by Tableau. Yeah. So we have came to an end of our session wherein we discussed everything on the landing page which is available. The only thing which is left here is there is another option to copy paste a data source or a report directly to the data. So let's explore that option. For that I am using ChatGPT. So here I am asking to create a satellite launch dataset which including all the countries which have already been launched satellites. ChatGPT has created some data set. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to data and pasting it here. So I have got the entire data set, which is having all the information. As I did not get the titles, headers of the data set, I'm just going to use the data interpreter. So that's all for this day. Let's meet up again to learn another interesting topic on Tableau. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.